Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Wig of the Week. I've decided I'm going to once a week record a very short video, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and just pick a wig that I enjoyed reviewing, or there's something about it I really like, something I want to make sure you're aware of. So today, the first Wig of the Week is Raquel Welch On in 10, and this is RL17 23SS, which is SS Iced Latte Macchiato. That's a mouthful for sure. What I want you to know about this wig is, first of all, this is a great everyday wig. Secondly, you don't have to break the bank to get an adorable style wig. I have a full review on my channel on this one, and you know, it is basic cap, and in the review I show you everything, but it's a basic cap. However, there's not a lot of permatease in this wig. As you can see, this is fairly low density. There is some at the nape here, not a lot, and very little in the top, and that is really kind of unusual for a basic cap. So I think that is a big plus for this one. This is, like I said, new for spring 2022. She came out with 4 new styles, and I think this is great. It has the memory cap 3, it has this 7-inch bang, the sides are 7, the back's 8, and it has a 3.75-inch nape, and this color is so wearable. It has these blonde highlights. You can see them here. And in my full video, I show it outdoors and everything else. But it has a ashy base, and then this light to medium rooting, which is perfectly done, as you can see. Very, very wearable shade. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed my first Wig of the Week. I look forward to this, and I'll see you next week.